Welcome to this free tutorial brought to you by the Bright Computer Technologies. I am Onyeme John. In today's video, I want to show you how you can create multiple sections in your Word document using your Microsoft Office Word 2007. With this practical, it will guide you on how you can set different page setup in a particular document, whereby you print the document without separating different file names to a particular document. For instance, you are typing a project now for a student, and the project will carry the preliminary pages, the body of the project, and the appendix side of the project. You'll notice that the preliminary pages will carry page number like I, and so on, while the body of the project will now carry 1, 2, 3 till the last page of the project. There'll come another section, the appendix side of the project. How can you use one file and then set different page formats in terms of page number to this project? This tutorial will help you to accomplish that freely. Okay, let's go. Let's see the screen now. This title page of the project now carries page number 1, and the approach file page here carries page number 2, and keep on going like that. But this is not the way you will print the project out. The project will now carry the page number I, a profile page II, and it keep on going before it is the body of the project that will now start with 1. How can you set this multiple section of page number? This way you go. Click on page layout. Once the page layout tab is clicked, you'll now notice that you have page break here. But before selecting page break, specify where you want the page to start. In this practical, we want to go to the last page before the body of the project, which means the body of the project now starts from page 13. So where will we keep our cursor so that we have what we want? We want to keep our cursor on the very last page before the chapter 1, which is page 12 now. And you will notice we are in page 12 now. Once you position your cursor in that place, go to page break, click on it, then you have next page. That's the option that we want to use. Click on that option. You will now notice that the page 13 that was here for chapter 1 is now page 1. That means it has break the page number, starting another section. Take note, the now preliminary pages start from page 1 and then come to page 12, which is not what you will actually want in that section. What will you do is for you to double click on the page number anyway. Double click on it, then go to page number here, then click on it. You will now have format page number. You click on format page number, then come to number format and change the number format to the format that you want. In our case here, we want to take I. Then we now click OK. Then scroll down to where the chapter 1 start. Let's see how it will affect the setup. See now. You now see that page 13 that was 13 previously is now page 1, while the preliminary pages is now carrying page number I, and the last page now is the XII. That means you have separated the previous pages and the subsequent pages. And if you scroll this project down, take it down, you will now see that the appendix side of the project will still continue the number with the body of the project. How can we split it so that it will not occur it that way? That is when you come to the last page again, and then when you are in page 77, for instance, you now do the page break again, and from references will not carry any page number. With this format now, you can now have 3 sections in one document. The first section of the page number starts with II and ends with XII, which is the last page for the preliminary pages, while the body of the project now starts with 1, 2, and then come to 77 before the references part of the project, which is the appendix part of the project, does not carry any page number because you don't want page number to be there. That is how you can insert multiple page section in your document. Thank you very much. Please consider subscribing for more videos, and also activate the notification bell below so that you will also see the new video that will come your way next time.